What's the meaning of court of law? Court of law. Court of law.
Court of law. Court of law. A court of law is a legal institution that has the power to resolve legal disputes and administer justice according to the law. The purpose of a court of law is to provide an independent, impartial, and fair forum for resolving disputes between parties. The outcome of a court of law may result in a variety of decisions, including but not limited to acquittal or conviction of the defendant, awarding damages to the plaintiff, granting or denying injunctions, or ordering specific performance. The decision of a court of law is typically final and binding on all parties involved in the dispute.